Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm back, and I'm finna finally do the original She-Ra, Princess of Power, catra makeup tutorial. I have Sonic do the new one. So before I forget, let me tell you the foundation that I use. I end up using the NYX Total Control foundation in cappuccino. In cappuccino and thing. So let's get started. So the first thing is we're going to take the Wet and Wild, this palette, and we're going to take the brown out of here, and we're just going to put it. And before I even start that, let me put some eyeshadow primer on before I forget. And like I've been saying, I've been waiting to do this for a long time. A very long time. I've been waiting to do this. And the reason I've been waiting a long time, I've been trying to find the perfect bluish black. And turns out it's no such thing of a bluish black eyeshadow. And what I did, I end up have to make it. So it's a trial and error, and so we're going to be featuring the one I made, and I put it up in this one. So I'm sorry about it that it looks kind of got red in it. I was messing with it, so we're going to be using that. So that's not the brush. Where is it? Here we go. We're going to take this brush, and we're going to take the dark brown right here into the crease. And as I do that, it's turning out a little ill. Let me use this brush right here. There we go. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do, we'll take this brush right quick, and we're just going to try to blend it a little. But we're going to be using it again. And I will show y'all how if you want a tutorial, I will show y'all how So now we're going to take this palette, and we're going to be using this color red. I think this is, yep, it's going to be that color red. And let me get, and we're going to be using this one. We're going to put it in, and then we're just going to pack it where the crease color starts. Alright. Now, with that, I'm just going to blend this out a little. Well, it looks like Y'all see how it turned out? It is turning out pretty okay. And before we put the blue on, we're going to put the blue in the crease. That is just how I want it. So before we do that, and then we're going to do the brow bone. Now for the brow bone, we're going to be using this. No. We're going to use this again. And we're going to use this color right here. That is all you have to do with that. But we're going to just dab it right here. There we go. And the next thing we're going to do is let me find it. We're going to take this brush and we're going to put it in the blue that I made. And we're just going to it's going to take a little bit of all the different brushes. So we're going to go back in with this brush. And we're just going to go. We're going to take this brush and just and we're going to go back in with that same red. Take that back again. That is that. Now what we're going to do, just to finish it up, we're going to take a little powder on the face. And the powder I'm going to use, we're going to be using the Black Radiance. next thing is we're going to do a highlight. And I'm pulling my highlight in. I'm going to pull my colors and stuff. So the first thing is, I'm gonna, let's see, we're gonna pull this. We're gonna go on and do the blush. And what I can make of from the original cartoon series is that the cartoon, she has like a very bright pink, but what I'm going to do is I'm using, this is the LA Colors Rouge, and it's called As If. It's a pretty pink, but what I'm doing, I'm going to smile. And there you go. That's what I'm going to do for that. Some of my brushes are not here for what I want to use and stuff. So, because I don't have all of my brushes, I'm going to be using this brush for my highlight. And I'm using the Wet n Wild Hustle Glow. Catra don't hardly have a okay, we're gonna have to change that because the thing won't open. So what we're going to do, we're just gonna switch it up for a bit. And the color, we're gonna use a color out of here. And the color I'm planning on using is this color right here. So now we're going to blend that. And I'm going to take this brush again. I'm going to just blend it. Alright. I'm going to take this color here, this red lip liner, and I'm going to just outline and stuff. Just going to just outline the lip a bit because I'm going to be using a red. And this is the red I'm using. I'm using this red from Black Radiance. And there you go. It's bold, but Catra wears pink red lipstick. But what I'm going to do, I am to kind of tone this down a bit. And think I'm going to be using this. Excuse me, y'all. This is what I'm going to use to tone it down a bit, quite a bit. And we just going to put that in there. Well, actually, it kind of brightens it a bit, but yeah. And we're going to do my hair a little bit, but yeah. And we are done. This is my version of the old Catra makeup look. And one of the key things is I think the let me put on my glasses and I can tell you. I think it turned out pretty well, especially the lipstick. The eye color, especially with the custom color I did, I think it turned out great. If I redo this again, I think I might want to take my custom color first before I do the red. But I just think it turned out great. Until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.